if you're experiencing a server timeout error on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, Network Test Internet Connection to verify that your connection is stable and working properly. Step 2. Restart your PS5. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update, and Settings to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Changing your DNS settings can improve connectivity. Go to Settings, Network Setup, Internet Connection, select your connection type, and choose Advanced Settings. Change the DNS settings to use Google's DNS primary 8.8, 8.8, and secondary 8.8, 4.4. Step 5. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help fix various issues. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout error on your PlayStation 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.